Raise your hands together for the wonderful star cast of the wonderful Fever.
Talking about Luminous, I think I have been associated with jewelry brands for a decade now, and since I won my crown. So when today I was briefed about Luminous brand, it was actually it's very good to know how there's so much invention happening in the field of jewelry. Luminous is actually an alternative to gold and platinum. So people who cannot, because gold and platinum prices are hiking up in the market, and people who are not able to afford it, Luminous is actually an alternative for all of you. So कहते हैं दिल्ली दूर नहीं है, अब सोना दूर नहीं है. To say so, Luminous is basically an alloy of gold, platinum, palladium, and silver, and it is more lustrous than silver, and also because it's more.
It's amazing. You're gonna try to understand who is this man, what's happened to him, and you're gonna have all it's like a big puzzle in black and white. You're gonna try to figure out what is gonna come out, and you will never guess the
composition of 4 metals, the tarnishing comes down significantly and gets retarded. Extra strength and shine available because of the composition again of gold, of platinum. Ikanzi also plans to make the traditional Calcutta jewelry and other such jewelry in this Luminous Uno metal. So it will be the Luminous Uno white metal with gold plating, which will be made available. There will be jewelry with studding of diamonds, studding of precious stones, also available with the Luminous Uno metal. So you'll see that this metal is very diverse. It has the investment advantage of 4 options. It has the beauty of being able to be more malleable and used in the form of jewelry, in different forms of jewelry as well. These are the ads, the advertisement that will be appearing for this metal, both in mass media as well as in social media. 1,200 tons. Platinum is even more dearer. 130 tons only is mined every year. Palladium, about 200 tons per year is the amount of palladium mined. And silver is 27,000 tons. So that's the level of availability of mined new supplies of these precious metals. Look at the number of platinum, look at the number of palladium and gold vis-a-vis silver. I mean, they are rare, and these are even rarer. Luminous Uno is a combination of all these 4 precious metals. So you get a 4-in-1 benefit with the Luminous Uno metal. You're getting the preciousness of silver, gold, platinum and palladium all in one. Benefits of all these 4 metals. The bullion sites I spoke about will also offer a buyback. So not only can you purchase from there, but you have the opportunity to sell it back at the then prevailing price in future. The price as of today for the buyback will be 122. So if you look at the selling and buying back price, it's a very low bid offer price differential compared to even when you buy traveler's checks of US dollars from a bank. The difference in the bidding and buying back price is significantly more than this. Like I mentioned in the introduction, it is licensed and being promoted by the leading jewelers of the world. Leading Jewelers of the World is a platform which was created in the US a few years back. In the US market, there are 2 sets of jewelry retailers. There is the large jewelry retail stores like Sterling's and Zale and so on and so forth with 200, 300, 400 outlets.